start with a house this nice? Well, kind of thinking of the kitchen. Not because it's lunchtime, but you spend a lot of time in your kitchen, and let's face it, it's probably the most expensive room in the house. Quartz, countertop for a center island. It's got all kinds of custom-made cabinets. These didn't come off a rack at Lowe's or Home Depot. You've got your black stainless steel 3-door, double oven if you like to cook, and all tile on the floor, on the backsplash. Wait till you see the ceilings and the lighting in this house. But this would be your kitchen, which isn't the most important room, but boy, it's one of the highlights in this house. Maine home for sale. This is a new property listing in Houlton, Maine. Comfortable home, big lot, wraparound driveway that's paved. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Morse. Thanks for dropping by the Maine Real Estate channel. 23 Mill Street, 7 Lane Avenue. 2 properties. You can buy them separately or as a package. The Beduxtekeg River is across the street. This is 23 Mill Street. 2,500 square feet plus, and all kinds of room around it. This warehouse garage, with 2 doors and then some for space, can be part of the house package or bought separately. See those double glass doors? This area about 36 feet long by about 14 or 15 wide. 12 windows, plus you've got the sliding glass doors. The hot tub's going to stay. See how you can shut this off from the rest of the home? This could be a home office. This is the kids' living room, playroom. Wouldn't you rather be the house where all the kids gather? I know I did growing up. Grocery bill's a little higher, but at least you know what's going on and who your kids are running with. Again, make comments. Let us know where you're watching from down below, and what would you use this area for? In-law apartment? Home business? Kids' living room? Maine home for sale. This is a new property listing in Houlton, Maine. Here's your utility kitchen. This is the in-law apartment. Or your kids can make a ham and cheese. Or maybe you just call it the world's largest laundry. But it's more than that, with the cabinets, with the space. You've got a couple spice racks. See all the drawers, and there's a home for everything in your kitchen here. Custom made. Everything has a purpose. So if you like to socialize and you got to eat at least 3 times a day, beautiful kitchen that opens into the formal dining area. Your living room with a gas log fireplace. Coffered ceilings. Don't see those in every home nowadays. If I had to describe the home in just 1 or 2 word descriptions, it would be windows, built-ins, closets, and wide open space. Built-in bookcases, wainscoting. All the floors are either tile or they're native Maine hardwood. Along the front of the home, you have an area with a heated floor, radiant kind, 4 closets, a good little sitting area, a den. See the 4 closets? Radiant heat, tile floor, and it's all angled. What a great sitting area. You can get off by yourself in this little corner of the house. Maybe you're going to operate a home business, and this is the entry. This is the reception area. Make comments down below. What's it ideal for in your world? Here's one of the half baths with a sliding door. And the hardwood floor extends right into that half bath. See the double glass doors? That's a bonus area. Lots of light in this home. They did not spare any expense on the windows. Everything's been updated. It's been a continual renovation on this 1905 home. With me so far, here's the second level. It's more like a hall room, and there is a pull-down storage area. Your front bedroom, more pocket doors. 4 bedrooms, or even more if you want to develop the downstairs a little differently. Double closet, and it has the light. More of the wood floors, the Maine native wood flooring, no rugs. Bedroom 1, up in the front of the home. Off the hall room, bedroom number 2. Another pocket door, more hardwood floors, recessed lights, built-in fan. Hardwired for the smoke detector, the CO2 detector. You know what this room is. This is the one the 2 front bedrooms use. Coming out of the bathroom, this is like a nursery size or a den, sitting room. Maybe it has something to do with your master bedroom. You decide. Has a skylight. They have room for a photocopier, an antique organ. It's an extra bonus room, or it's a 3rd bedroom. Lots of glass overlooking the big yard on this one. Huge master bedroom with cathedral ceilings. Now we're talking. Pocket door to separate. Tile around the jet tub. After a hard day, it's time to relax. Turn it off, put it behind you. What does the house need? You. Well, and groceries. There's no repairs on this home that are needed. What's the expression about no stone left unturned? That could have been a headline for this one. Why don't more homes look like this? Can't afford it. This owner worked hard, took care of everything, and poured money into this home to make it comfortable. Your walk-in closet. Your master bathroom. Talk about cabinets and storage for everything. Oversized tile and glass. Shower. Where's the toilet? Hidden. Another sliding door. More tile flooring. What do you think of this home? Someone put some work into the tile. This master bedroom is like 21 by 18. What's your master bedroom like in the house that you live in now? Or maybe you have one this size with wainscoting, cathedral ceilings, and all kinds of walk-in closets and private baths. If you don't, here's your chance once in your lifetime to have a beautiful surroundings, a house that needs no work up in Maine. Your basement, you would expect to be up to the same caliber as the home, right? It doesn't disappoint. Everything's whitewashed. Storage, because that's the middle name of this home. There's an extra half bath we forgot to tell you about in the count. So 2 half baths, 2 full baths. Painted floors, painted walls, all concrete. See, the wiring is all neat. You have a System 2000 oil hot water zone furnace. I know I priced one of those at a house we sold, and I think the furnace alone was like 18 grand. Look at all the zones. They're all labeled. Second floor, left bedroom. Second floor, right bedroom. Porch, radiant. Porch, panel heater. Basement, garage. Second floor hall, first floor. The hot tub room, or the living room for your in-laws, has a dehumidifier. Your basement does too. It doesn't feel like a basement. It feels like you could finish it off and make more living space. Everyone needs hobby areas, storage for your outdoor toys, and maybe a place to work where it isn't the end of the world if you spill something. This is that type of hobby area, for kids especially. It's a heated basement. See the Modine? See all the new electrical that was run in this home? See all the plumbing? A lot of tradesmen had a hand in all of this. The owner spent a lot of money to get just what they wanted, perfection.